Hobby crafting friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Tracy. Have you ever done crafts that are just simple? They're not, we're not going to change the world. We're not doing anything earth-shattering here. We're just making crafts for craft's sakes. Well, that's what this video is, and I loved every single one of them, and I hope you do too. So let's go ahead and get started.
For this first DIY, you're going to need a few supplies along with your clothespins. I purchased these little mini bottle brush trees from Hobby Lobby in their little My Little Christmas section, along with this set of deer. And this craft is so easy, and I think it would be fun to do with your family members as well. But all we're going to do is we're going to take our little deer along with our bottle brush tree, and we're going to glue it to the top side of our clothespin. And when you're finished, you'll be able to clip this little clothespin ornament onto your tree branches. Isn't that adorable? I love this little ornament, so cute. Now we're moving on to DIY number 2. And for this one, you obviously need your clothespin. You'll need some twine or ribbon of your choice, along with some scrapbook paper. We start by dismantling our clothespin. And removing the metal spring in the center. And once we have that done, we're then going to glue our clothespin pieces back to back, as I'm showing you here. We then bring back in our scrapbook paper. I'm going to be using this music scrapbook paper I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And you'll start by cutting out a piece of the scrapbook paper in a square and then folding it in half. It's sort of like cutting a heart shape out of a folded piece of paper, only I would say you're cutting a comma out of a piece of folded scrapbook paper. And then when you unfold it, it looks like a set of angel wings. Now that we have our wings cut out, we're going to add a halo and a little scarf around the body of our clothespins. I'm going to be using this red and cream twine I purchased from Dollar Tree for the scarf of my angel's body. I just tied the twine around what I would consider the neck of the angel body and tied it in a knot and then trimmed the ends. Now I'm going to be using this sparkly pipe cleaner, and I'm going to make a little halo for my angel's head. And I just do this very simply by twisting a little circle at the top of my pipe cleaner. Once I have that done, I then snip it off and I just glue it to the back side of my angel's clothespin body. Look at how cute. Now we're just going to take our angel's body, our clothespin body that we made, and we're going to glue it to our wings. And once we have that done, we'll then just add a simple twine hanger, and you have this adorable little angel ornament. And what I love most about this is it can be customized. It can be elaborate or it can be simple. Now we're moving on to DIY number 3. And for this DIY, you'll just need 2 clothespins, some paint, and some yarn or ribbon or twine of your choice. We start by disassembling our clothespins and removing the metal clasps. Now we're left with 4 clothespin pieces. And we start by gluing 2 of the pieces back to back. We're then going to take the other 2 pieces of clothespin and we're going to glue them to the sides of our double glued clothespins, sort of forming a triangle. What we want this to look like is a little mini Christmas tree. So when you're done, your piece will look just like this. Now you could leave this natural as it is, but I'm going to come in and paint the top part of mine green, like a Christmas tree, the bottom part brown, and then I'm going to tie a little piece of twine around the bottom trunk part of my tree and add a hanger. Now here's all 3 of the ornaments we made in this video. I love how simple they are. They're very affordable and they're also very safe and friendly for little ones in your family to do. I hope this video served as some inspiration for you, and if you're still wanting some Christmas DIY ideas, go ahead and click on one of these upcoming videos. Well, until next time, keep it crafty!